A disobedient cat is trying to reach the upper shelf. First of all, she jumped on the ironing board. Now she wants to jump higher, but she can't. But she wishes to. I wonder if she would manage. Probably she's not brave enough to do that, but she's trying her best. She's curious what is there, so she will try. I guess she will try. It's the first time that she is trying to do that. There she is, just near the ceiling. And she's curious. She loves different packets. She loves different packets. Now we have to observe and probably well, she's there on the top, trying to do her best. Let me prevent her from jumping down. Just a moment. Because it's very high. Okay, maybe she will guess that she has to go back the same way as she came here. She loves packets. Sometimes she's licking them. There she is. I guess I have to take her into my hands. Okay, come on, I will